After completing the benchmark, the next step is Pacex. This mode is designed to help you increase your speed and accuracy. On this screen, you'll again see the topic tree. Select the topic you want to practice and click Next. This time, a different pop-up will appear. This pop-up will include a short guide to help you understand how to complete this session and default assessments with time duration and marking pattern with marks for correct, incorrect, and questions not attempted specific to the test pattern on the exam you're preparing for. Once you're ready, start the session. The Pacex works similarly to the Gap Fixer, but with two important differences. The first is that a timer will be running, and you'll have to complete the session within the allotted time. The default time and marking scheme will be of the specific exam you are practicing. The second is that you won't have access to your AI buddy Tony in this mode, as this session is focused on improving your speed and accuracy under timed conditions, rather than learning new concepts. After completing the session, click Submit, and your detailed report and analysis will appear. Keep practicing on same topic by retaking tests till progress bar turns green. Each new test on same topic will have different set of questions. This mode is designed to sharpen your speed, accuracy, and confidence, preparing you for real exam and competition scenarios.